it really sounds and feels like a paper. This is the actual sound of using the pen over the skin. Long story short, about 4 months ago, I upgraded from someone who used the old school pen and paper to write his journal to someone who uses a modern day notebook, which is called Remarkable 2. So I was like, I should make this video so I can share 5 things that I really love about the experience of having this notebook and why you should actually be considering having one of these. Salam my friends, welcome to a brand new video here on my YouTube channel Nimul TV. Usually on a weekly basis I post a whole bunch of tech reviews, behind the scenes of the videos that I make, and a whole bunch of tutorials. So if this is your first time, consider subscribing if you love this video, but at the end of the video. As I told you in the intro of the video, so a couple of months ago I upgraded from someone who used the old school pen and paper to do my daily activities, the to-do lists, my goals, objectives. I saw this ad on social media which they were promoting this minimalistic new age notebook which is so simple to use and still gives you the same feeling of using pen and old school paper. So I was like, hold on a second, if everything that they say is true, let's give it a try, because they also had like 3 months of hassle-free return if we don't like it. Now fast forward to today, I've been obsessed with my Remarkable 2 and I've been using it on daily basis, and it has 100% replaced using any piece of paper throughout my day, either for writing my journal, to-dos, notes, you name it. So I was like, if I really love this, I'm pretty sure there are gonna be a whole bunch of people out there that don't know about this, and this might actually help them to increase their productivity. So in this video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys 5 things that I really love about the experience of having a Remarkable 2 as a replacement with other means of taking notes, either your phone, your tablet, or the old school pen and paper like me. So maybe you also will be encouraged to have one in order to increase your productivity. The first thing that I love about the Remarkable 2 is the build quality and the way that the brand is actually presenting the product. The whole experience from doing this shopping and then getting the package, the quality of the boxes, the experience of unboxing, which is super similar to unboxing an Apple product, so much detail, and the product's quality itself, the tablet, the quality of the pen that you can get, the skin that I've gotten, the leather one that I've got, the quality is just insanely good. So I would give a 10 out of 10 to the build quality of this product. So whatever expectations that you have after watching their ads, 100% of that is going to be satisfied after you actually get the product and start using it. And kind of that's why they have 3 months of hassle-free return, because they know people are going to love this product. The second thing that I really love about the experience of using a Remarkable 2 for the ones like me that really love the feeling of writing with a pen on an actual paper is the way they've designed the skin of this tablet and this pen. It really sounds and feels like a paper. This is the actual sound of using the pen over the skin. So this is something that I really love. So if I close my eyes and I'm writing, I would never be able to tell if I'm using a pencil to write on the paper or is it the Remarkable 2, seriously. The third thing that I really love about the experience of Remarkable 2 is the tools that they have within the Remarkable 2. From being able to choose from pen, pencil, highlighter, they have a whole bunch of tools that you can replace to change the way that you write with and your handwriting is going to look. You can pick the color for the output. So if I write, because this is only black, so it writes like a just single color, but I can pick the export PDF can be in blue ink or it can be in black ink. So I have choices for my export, which is going to make it way more realistic depending on what I need. They have tools for copying, duplicating your notes and taking them somewhere else. You can resize them, you can erase them with the back of the pen if you get this pen. They have the cloud sync, so you can have all of your data either on your phone accessible, on a browser, on your desktop, even here. So you have access to all of your documents throughout their cloud, which I think it's like $7 per month, but it's optional. But that's something that I've been getting and I've been using a lot because I have a backup of all of my notes and documents like always on demand. The fourth thing that I really love about this is the fact that you can pick and design your own template depending on what type of journal you're using. They have a whole bunch of predefined templates, but let's say if my journal contains like business related tasks, non-business related tasks, some random notes, and also some manifestations or goals that I write for myself on a daily basis. And on top, let's say I want to have a calendar, pick the day and date, right? If it's not there, you can easily create your own and just export it in PDF, and there are a whole bunch of tutorials out there. Maybe I make one on how to import it, which is nothing complicated at all. So you can create the way you want specific notebooks be, and you can create a whole bunch of different notebooks within this Remarkable 2. The last thing that I really love about the Remarkable 2 is the sustainability of it. Just imagine you're gonna be using that gives you the same feeling of using pen and paper, but just imagine how many journals I'm just gonna be dismissing and I'm not gonna be purchasing throughout my life anymore. So I bought so many of them and I have like a full stack of them. Just imagine all of those are going to be replaced with this piece of tech, which is going to give me the same feeling and same vibe, but it's more durable, it's more accessible, it's safer, and I just love it. All right, guys, that was it for this video. If you had any questions about the Remarkable 2 that I didn't answer throughout this video, there could be a whole bunch. Let me know below in the comments. I'll get them as soon as I can, and I'll try to reply to your questions below in the comments. If this was your first time watching my videos, make sure to subscribe, turn on the bell notification. If you found value in it, give it a thumbs up. It's really gonna help me because algorithm is gonna promote it to more people. And until the next video, Mokhlas.